Welcome, today we're going to show you how to enable Secure Boot TPM 2.0 on ASUS Motherboard Windows 11. So how to actually do that? So you need to enable Secure Boot for anti-cheat tools for the games to actually work with you like Valorant. So how to actually enable it? The first thing that you need to do is to actually click on the Start menu, and then you need to click on the Power Options from here. Then you need to restart your device. So while the device are restarting and you see ASUS logo, you need to hit on delete option or delete key. After that, the BIOS menu will open for you as see from here. So from the BIOS menu, you need to actually go to the boot options as see from here. And now from the boot options, you need to click on secure boot. After that, from the secure boot options, you need to make sure that you choose Windows UEFI mode as see from here, and then you need to make sure that secure boot mode is enabled. So that's actually how you enable secure boot. After that, you need to just save and boot your device again. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.